a new visitor in our flowers here in our front yard, guys. She's working hard for the family. Maybe starts to rain here. Here's another visitor, guys. It's the black bees working hard. The black bees is working hard too. Huh? And in front of it is another one. The butterfly work hard and the bees working hard. See? As you can see, guys. Beautiful color. She's working hard, very hard work. There you go, hook into another, to the next. Wow, she worked hard too, the bees. She doesn't know how to selfie. Ayan ang tipaklong sa amin, guys. Yan yung grasshopper, right? I'll let it go. I'll let it go. It's a big grasshopper, guys. Ayan mga guys, nakahuli na naman ako ng grasshopper. I remember when I was young, I loved to catch this grasshopper. So I got it now again. Huh? You say, please let me go, let me go. Okay, I'll let you go, I'll let you go. The grasshopper, I found it in our sunflower. Grasshopper friendly, you know. They are not biting you. Don't scared, guys. They are very friendly. So I just show you how big the grasshopper in our sunflower. Hop into our sunflower. Say, please let me go. Okay, I'll let you go. Okay, I'll let you go. I don't hurt you. Let's go, I'll let you go. Now, grasshopper. Tipaklong. Sa Bisaya ay tipaklong. Ano nga ba ito sa Tagalog, mga guys? Sulat nyo nga kung ano nga ba yung Tagalog tipaklong sa Bisaya eh. Minloy man, minloy. Tipaklong. Okay? I'll let you go. I put her on the grass, guys. See? So I'll let her go. See? 40 paklong. That's a grasshopper. I mean, that's the grasshopper. She's looking to the camera, guys. Come on, you go ahead. I'll let you go now. Go ahead. There you go. She's hiding over there. Okay, bye, grasshopper. She's hiding underneath, guys. I'll let her go. I really love all the nature in our garden, guys.